Let's make a very delicious lunch. This tasty midday meal is rich in plant protein. Start by adding 1 tablespoon of butter and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. On low heat, fry 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds. When it changes its color, add 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Saute on low heat for 30 seconds. Add 3 cups of boiled chickpeas. Add 1/2 cup of water from the boiled chickpeas. If you are using canned chickpeas, just use 1/2 cup of tap water. Add 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. 1/4 cup of mild green chilies, cut into slices. Add 1 teaspoon of tamarind pulp. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. Give it a good mix. Cover and cook for 10 minutes on low-medium heat. After 10 minutes, switch off the heat and add 1 cup of chopped onions. 1/2 cup of chopped cilantro. Mix it well. Adjust the salt according to your taste. Flavorful and healthy lunch is ready. Add some plain yogurt and chaat masala. Enjoy. Like, share, and subscribe.